baby. Let's go, let's go. So malamig. Ulan. Thank you for watching. 2 people. Hi, Tony. That is all. Hello. Jimmy Torres. Come here to your friends. Thank you, Tom. Thank you, 17 people in the house. Thank you, Ramel. Hi, Ramel. Welcome. Thank you so much. Oh, God. Super. Doing here. Thank you, Ramel. Thank you, people. Hi, Cheryl. How are you feeling? I'm fine for now. How about you for now? How are you? Rain here. Is your dad back home? No, not yet. He'll still at the hospital. Still at the hospital. My dad. My father. Joshua, yeah. Thank you, 20 people in the house. Thank you so much. Thank you, 20 people. I see you have a new haircut. No, no, no new. I don't know. Oh, the old one. Michael Rex, maganda. Thank you. It's not broke like pink one. It's broke also. It's also broke. Also, buy new con. Buy new. Thank you. 26 people in the house. Thank you, Ramas. Thank you, 18 people. Salamat. Salamat. Oh my God, 23 people. Thank you so much. It's a superior system. It keeps letting guns. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you for your likes. Oh, thinking about the endings. There was only you and me. Oh my goodness. We were young, wild, and free. Now nothing can change you with me. I know around you, but years. There was only you and me. We were young, wild, and free. Now nothing can change you away from me. Even though that you before, that's hold me now. You keep me coming back for more. Baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I find it hard to see you were heaven. Hi, I'm a real runway. Hi, I'm double top, then XP. Thank you, Renelle. Double tap. Thank you. That's hold me now. You got me in, you keep me coming back for more. Baby, all that I want when you're lying here with me. What it hurts, waking up the thank you for the light. And it's so hard to say hi. Thank you for the light. I've been waiting for so long. Good times in a bed. I've been standing there by you. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much for the. Oh my God! Thank you. Thank you for the. Thank you so much. Thank you. So that I love, better than you were. It's hard to see what I have done. Oh my God! Thank you so much. I've been waiting for so long. Till we get to celebrate. Thank you for the gift. I was standing there by you. Giving you all that I want. I see where you've been. I've been waiting for so long. I've been standing there by It's hard to see what you have done. I've been waiting for so long. Get to celebrate. I was standing there by you. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Get done. I see. Oh, I'm sorry. God, you're so good. Thank you so much. Sábado Domingo is a ganda. Sábado Domingo is a gonna. Thank you so much. Nawala na mga sinasabi, magkakatinabi, babae, sarap ko, namayas babae, ikaw mas nasabi, kaya ko lang, ang problema ngunit tika na lang. Konting pasensya lang. The I'm on a loop. Have a great and peaceful holidays. Thank you and now. Hanging out number last. Thank you so much for the likes. Thank you so much. kasama ang mga sandali. Ano ba ang pag-ibig mo'y magbabalik? Bakit ko nasaktan kita? I can't recall for I don't na ba ang pag-ibig mo'y magbabalik? Bakit ko nasaktan kita, mga labi? Mamaya. Karen, remember this for every darkness there is light, that part exists. Thank you, Anel. Thank you so much. Ano ba ang pag-ibig mo'y magbabalik? Bakit ko na nasaktan kita ng gabi? Ayaw ko
Pera mo na ako ba ito?
wala ako, Ken.
Ha?
Wala ako. Money.
Pero, hindi ko nandaan sa kalagala.
Sam, ngunit ka naman ako. Thank you so much. There's 7 people in the house. You can give support by, you can, the dollar sign at the lower right screen. You can send in support. Thank you. Handy Kaufman. Alam mo ba pagpapatid ka ang bawat sandali sinisigaw pati ang piso mo namin ay pagkitiyan buhay mo. Hindi kang puso ko sumisigaw, di ang isip kong nalibas ay walang halaga kung ang pagmamahal nagmamahal ko. Thank you for the gals. Surprise. It's alright. Amazing boys. Amazing done. Thank you so much. I know it's going to be Little business and me, let's go through. Set a photo for me every day. Beautiful, cute, younger. Thank you so much. Thank you, Tom. Salamat. Maganda po, Mr. Girlfriend. Hi. How about you? Thank you 46 people in the house. Thank you so much. 11 likes. Thank you. Till tomorrow, there's a moment in time which no one will be. You don't have feeling about you. There's a dream with you tonight, tomorrow. There's a moment in time. Feeling about you. Till tomorrow, 'cause I'm holding you tight. It's real, you and I. It's you and I, it's you and I, yeah. 'Cause I'm dreaming of you tonight till tomorrow. 'Cause I'm holding you tight, and there's no other dream. You are my love, dream. And everything's alright. Close my eyes, I'm singing alone. Everything's alright. You. Thank you so much. Hi, Karen. She's so slim. Thank you. Dream about you, everything's alright. Just you and Hi, looking good. Roger, thank you. Hello. Thank you for the 20. About you, everything's alright. Very cute nose. Very cute nose. Cute nose. But cute nose. Oh my god, so yummy. Di na, alin eh.
Marami.
Ami.
Bugod. Wala tayo.
Ito, ay suruda ito for the days. Ha? Rodner Wood. Hi. Oh my, is that really you, pa? Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, it's me. Yeah, it's me, po. Thank you, John. How are you? I'm guessing 34 years. 40. Turning 41. Me. Thank you for the 3 people. That's it. Hello, Cheryl. How's your day going? I'm fine. Hi, Mike. Thank you. Thank you so much. Let's see. Marianda is not fine. I'm good now that I've seen you are alright. Thank you. Saod, bawal dito ang may saya. Matino yung mga tao dito. Matino yung pinapapasok ko sa bahay. Sorry ah. Hindi kita kailangan dito. Chupi! Bawal ito yung aso. Chup chup! All food now making me hungry. I had pizza for dinner. I didn't feel like coffee today. Take your time. Sometimes need to rest. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, Alpha. Ben, who's your show? I'm fine. How about you, Ben? Thank you, Ben. I'm from Philippines. I made rice today, but it didn't turn out very well. I tried to fry it with chicken. It doesn't taste right. Where are you from, Canada? No, I'm not available. Albert. There, I'm fine. I just woke up. Oh, thank you, Ben. You do so. Thank you, Alfred. Thank you for the people in the house. Thank you so much. Yeah, he's still in the hospital. My God. Oh my God. Stop. I'm hearing someone singing. Yeah, someone singing in the neighborhood. My father is still in the hospital. I'm turning 17 August. Is that all for you? Hi, Rodney. Ruth, thank you for joining me here. It's fine. It's okay. Hope.
Dito, yung ano, para matibay yung code ni Papay.
I-save mo ito at share mo para malaman din ng iba.
Comment si Papa.
Mabilis kang mapagod. Yung sagot, baka nasa paalang ng manok. Ang paalang manok ay puno ng natural collagen na nagpapalakas ng tubo. Kaso-kaso ng buto. At hindi lang yan dahil sa collagen. Nakakaganda din ito ng tulis. Pinapakinis, pinapafirm, at pinapabawas ang
Parang,
wrinkles.
parang sinigang siya.
Para mas matibay ang
Kanya ko.
katawan. Kung gusto mong lumakas at gumanda ang balat mo,
Paano na dito? Kaya taga mo naman ito eh.
Ha?
Taga mo man sila.
Tulog.
Kaya nga, ito mo lagay mo dun. Kaysa ano na ito mga.
Gising niya.
Ito na, darang mo ito. Ito na, darang mo. Ayan. Dear show, I am praying for your father and that he gets well soon. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sir Ben. I have a song like, oh my God. Oh my goodness. Sweating up people in the house and so on. 31 people in the house. Thank you so much. Forty people. It's got it in the uninstall icon. Who cares? Rodney. Who cares? No one asking. No one asking you. Hello, Boss Cheryl. Boss talaga. Boss talaga. Kailan talaga po? Guys, split hypers. Esperanza kahit nakabigat ang pagsubok na nasa iyong where's your cup? This wet from the rain. Guys, please like, subscribe, super chat always. Thank you. Thank you, Bam. Hi, Hex. Hello, Cheryl. Thank you, Hex. Masamhal ang mga pusong di natutong magmahal. Kasalanan ba? I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you, Hex. Masangal ang mga pusong di natutong magmahal. Nice. Hey, Hex from John. Kenneth. Where are you from, Kenneth? Here. Chop. KJ from Hex.
Babagang mo.
Sibuyas, bawang, lemon at ginger. Iinom sila ng isang tasa, 2 beses sa isang araw dahil nakakatulong ito na mabawasan ang pamamaga sa respiratory tract.
Yun sa pangalan tatay.
Hello, Bam from Hex. Hello, my friend. Young man. much. Oh my God. Thank you, John. Thank you, John. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It helps me, and thank you. Thank you. You're welcome for all we got. Thank you. Hi, Raymond. Thank you so much. Sini sabi, magkamating lapit, hindi naman ito pa. Ayan, ayan, ayan. There was heaven in my heart. Then you gone, and though it's so far away. Yes, this time gone. I was prepared to face this kind of heartache from away. I will learn to live my life besides. Maybe I just can't get to my way. Until my eyes rise just keep on reading till my cause of this time wasn't the first. Don't feel good tonight.
Yan ang bayan ah. Yan ang bayan siya. Namin. Yun ang pagkaka. Ginagawa mo dito. Wala. Very esperanza.
Basta adik siya.
Si Bungbong ang adik. Yan ang pupuntan sa kumato sa amin. Yan ang bundok na sa amin, no?
Hindi ako nakasaya ko kaya sa lugar.
Bibihim ka.
Hindi rin ako bibigyan. Ayaw ko rin sa kanila.
Dinig. Rumulya.
Yan din itong halo-halo capital of the Philippines.
Masarap pala ako.
Matitikman ang pinakamasarap na halo-halo sa buong bansa. Kaya samahan niyo ako mga lods. I-explore natin ang ganda ng Esperanza.
Masarap din yung hali-hali sa amin.
Saan dito? Sigat ka sa amin.
Hi, Thomas. Lazy bones. What time to start? 4. Thank you, Ben. I swear, can't imagine needing someone's in there. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Someday he's never let me down. Oh my Nagsabi ha, may nagsisintong na
3.
20 daw, tapos may bang oh, di ba? Thank you, 39 people. Is that your brother? This is my nephew. Here's my nephew. Maki video okay. Maki video okay man. Diba? O diba? Kaya patag sa dere. Sige, sige lang. Maliwanag na ito mag-ihapon. Oh my God. Hindi ka nakita ho. Pwede mo man din bit-bitin nyo. Ay, may ano pa nakasaksa kayo nag... nag-ewan ano? Nadulo pa? So okay na. Pero sabi ha. Ay, sabi mo. Ay! 45 people.
Together we felt strong. I know that I did. Nagko-commercial mo naman kasi may-ari. Di man. At nakita sa gawin. Parehas at sinismula. Ako yung nag-skip ads. Nabigla ng siya. Parehas pag ano ba ga? Ikaw ba niya? Ikaw man. Mas ulang-ulang. Okay. Tapos nabigla yung commercial.
Hello, Shirley. She's my brother's wife.
She's my brother's wife.
Oh my God. Hi, Mike. Wow, very nice song, girls. Thank you, Mike. Hello.
I see you beside me. It's only a dream. A vision of I used to be. The love
Alright.
the sorrow pictured in time. Feeling to memory. How could I ever let you go? Is it too late to let you know? I'm trying to run from your side, when I turn out of the lights, even the night only reminds me of you. I needed my freedom, that's what I thought. But I was so fool to believe my heart died. Well, you cried, it hurts to feel, but I was too blind to see everything we've been through before. Now it feels so much more. I try to run from your side, but each days I hide. It only reminds me of you. When I turn out of the light, even the night, it only reminds me of you.
Siram na.
Why can't you see? How could I ever let you go? Is it too late to let
You know, I tried to run from your side, but it's
One more shot.
when I turn out of the lights, even the night, it only reminds me of you. I try to run from your side, but it stays like it only reminds me.
Sorry ba? Sorry taraw.
Thank you.
Okay na po ginipsel.
Thank you so much.
Ocean view.
Sir, my boys.
Wala na bang pag-ibig?
Wala na.
Pero yung pamahal.
Wala na. Wala na. Wala na bang pag-ibig.
Connected.
Babe.
Connected.
Saan mo daw? Di ko maano. Maano sa sila. Hilwas lang siya dito. At nanay yun, kasi direct na magayin na yun. Apps talaga siya. Yan, sa dinig. Sa dinig yan. Sa atin. Dinig ko na update. At mga papanalakan masayaw. Para
Kuya, double times na sa aking piling. Paano ba ang halika niya ko? Hindi ko na kayang isipin. May paglalaki. Pag wala ka na sa aking tabi, tunay na di magbabalik ang dati. Pagkakalan, pagsusuyuan, at tuluyan bang hayaan.
yan yung pala pagsusuyuan.
Nice to see you smiling from my girl. Thank you, John. Thank you so much. Wala na bang pag-ibig? Susunod at di na kailangan ang pag-ibig na dati. Walang hanggan. Ano kaya ang bawat nagdamo?
Or ko na maglalaglo ka din sa cellphone mo. Like you know, commercial. O kaya si ate, palit kita. Sabihin si ate.
Red hearts. You can send me to buy. We buy red hearts. Gcash. We buy red hearts. Let's drink. Let's make and let's party. Yes. We need red hearts. Some. Wala ka na sa aking gabi, tunay na di magkabalik ang dating pagmamahalan, pagsusuyuan, at tuluyan bang hahayaan. Wala na bang pag-ibig sa puso at di na kailangan ang pag-ibig na dati. Walang hanggan. Ano kaya
Lokal mo ka natin. Talihan mo na.
ang bawat pagdaan?
Connected.
Dari mag-ibig. Oh my God. Ganun siya. Kakaloka ka ha.
Connected.
Ano ang pangsi? Kahit ano. Didi. Ano lang, magayon ka lang. Pag may nainud lang ako. Ay nga, ano na lang, scientist.
Sorry, Fred. Huh? Down, boys, back your cages. Thumbs up, Dan. Kuya, thank you. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Thank you. Come on.
Ano yan? Bakit ako nga na Bala pa sila.
Sorry, I can't hear. You can't hear. Oh my God. Why?
Ayaw mo na kaya.
I need you, tell you I'm sorry. You don't know how I had to find you, tell you I need you, tell you I set you apart. Tell me your secrets and ask me your questions. Oh, let's go back to the start. Running in circles on the trails, get on the signs of but it's never easy. It's such a shame for us to go. Oh, but it's easy. No one else can say it to keep us going. Oh, take me back to the start.
I'm the real Walker. Thank you so much. Hi, so Fred.
There was this missing numbers and figures, holding the cells of others. Questions of science of progress. Do not give up my heart. Only your love me, come back on me. All that I still desire. Running in circles, kissing and telling. Coming back as the other. Nobody's
Ay, mali. Ay, God. Kaya doon sa mga. Aray ko, pakak. Yadi mo.
Double top. Thank you. Thank you so much. So boring. So bored. Sorry. You feel bored? Thank you so much, Cheryl. I'm a Fred brother. Hi, Kuya. Thank you, Kuya, for joining here from Fred brother. Thank you, Kuya, for joining. Let's swing it fun. Thank you, Sean. It's Sean Nesper. Bye. Thank you. Thank you, Surya. Kuya, thank you. Wonderful today. Wonderful today. Wonderful today. Wonderful tonight. Wonderful tonight. Oh, going now, show. Have a good night. Thank you, sunshine. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining. Sino kasama mo talaga ba yun? Asawa yun ako dito. Good singing, girls. Thank you.
Ano pa ang kata mo? Ano ka na lang, Bide?
Magpatawad.
Tama na. Tapos na.
pag-ibig ko sa liwanag hindi mo. Alam ko alam lang tayo nakatagpo. Bakit ba sa'yo ayaw mo kayo? Ipapaglaw ikaw masisi. Ako'y di na dapat kapagkatiwala. Alam ko kailangan ba tayo sa'yo ayaw tumayo. Ipapalaw ko, sinahal kita minahal kita
Hi, John. Hello, John. Hello. Thank you for joining. How are you, John? John B. 5K. Looks like around all the time, yeah. Hello. Thank you for joining. Good. Come on. First time seeing your stream. Welcome to my stream. Thank you, Sir John.
walang mahanap ang tsaka sa isang katulad mo. Nagsisisiyo ay nakalahat. Wala ako kung wala ka. Di ako mabubuo, hindi kita kasama. Nagkaglarian, hindi ko kaya sa puso ay nagkakalan. Walang akong
Thank you so much for joining. Virgin ka pina? May na yun.
Ay, kita na ako nakakapagod siya. Pinatatanong niya, ano na rin na niya.
the deep, I feel above.
Thank you so much. Oh my god, I have a... Thank you. Have a snack. Come on, Steve. I have a special guest. Nice outfit. Oh my god, thank you. From the top to the toe. Your English is sparkling. Oh, thank you so much, Johnny. Johnny, B5K. Thank you, Sir John. Come on, let's read. At nasabi ko kung sa'yo Carmen, you know, running from life. Genie, nice dance move. Thank you. Thank you, John. Matthew, making me a coffee this morning. It's so loud. Oh
Sorry. Bakto, bakto. Wait lang, take two.
Take two. Okay, listen. Hi, August Eden. Thank you for joining. How are you, August?
Take two niya.
Thank you so much.
Tapos binababago ka ng bago may maapon naman.
Do you do any birthday parties karaoke?
Birthday first, sometimes around, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I birthday first, sometimes.
Sometimes I'm scared of you. All I wanna really is hold you tight, treat you. Sometimes
And it's a birthday first, sometimes. Hindi mo lang makantay daw. Ay, ayaw. Magkanta. Ako nga yan?
bakit kailangan kong kumanta?
Ikaw makanta?
Hindi rin man ako sa mga great performer. I'm not singer. I love dance. I just want to dance, not sing. Dance. I dance.
Tell me what you love with me. I still can picture when you are so but every time you turn that I don't know. I wanna believe in everything that you say. It's so good. Oh, girl, the things about me you just have to know. Sometimes I run, sometimes I hide, sometimes I'm scared of you. But all I really want is to hold you tight, treat you right, here with you day and night. Baby, all I need is time.
Hey, alam ko mga yan.
Never comes along the way. Oh, I've been feeling everything with you say. But if you really want me, don't slow. But please don't just have to know. Sometimes I run, sometimes I hide, sometimes I'm scared of you. But all I really want is to hold you tight, treat you right, be with you day and night. All I really want is
Oh my God!
Not man. You're saying it's good. The dancer is good. Sometimes I run. Wow, great. Precious, your friend next to you is single. No, she's not single. She's married. She's married.
that's all I really want is to hold you tight, keep you right, be with you day and night. All I really want
I did it again.
Maybe one more time.
Fire.
Dancer pa kang dancer na. Di ba kaya yun? Di ba kaya ako? Sa chorus lang kita. Sige lang, bayan yan.
Oh my god, the ladies know how to party. Come on, it's your
I did it again. I've been in the dark. Oh baby, baby, I did
Tapos na. I did it again.
Material girl pa yan. Ano ba yan? Material girl. Madonna? Wala.
I did it again. I did it again. Oh baby, baby, I did
That innocent. Ben Harding song shops, I did it again. Oh my god. Kuripot buang. Hi, Cheryl. Kuripot buang. Thank you. Bakit kasi kuripot ka? Hard time. You can send Gcash by something light. Red heart. Red heart. Send the gap by face. Alright. Thanks for the spear song. Really enjoy it. Thank you, John. Welcome, John.
Personality na kami sa atin.
Buenos
Talagang singing ready class. Ay, di ba singer ka?
Sino ang sino?
Ay, di ba singer gani?
Kenapa ya aku saya? Oh my god.
Tao pag natin na sa salon na lang, straight na lang yun, makasunod na sila mga Itabo mo gano'n, speaker. Kay may wireless man yun. Pag marami yung matulog na.
Ako ba yung mag-area? Tapos
Ay, talaga?
video. Gusto ka, Mike? Nadako?
Yeah, di ko magaling, malinaw ka na yan.
Oo, mabanag. Tagay niyo.
Bili lang, imo sa sulod.
Ano na yan?
Kaya nag-liabe.
Ewan mo kahit sige siya. Matulog mo talaga yun sa ako dito.
Di nagsisiwik?
Oo, nagsisirap mo talaga. Kaysa sa tulig.
Sige lang. Dito daw yun.
Asya mag-adjust. Tagalog, yeah, Tagalog. Word up from the Philippines. Thank you so much. Tanha dan
Okay na.
Hi.
Ayaw mo.
Love you.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Ay, nagsitinga. Where's the Mas magaling pa nili. Basak yan. Okay, ako rin talaga yung malinaw. Ay,
Okay,
wala yung soul.
Ganyan.
Kaya po talaga narayo.
Pwede mo na review. Sounds so cool na Bisaya. Biko.
Pili na.
Biko lang. Biko.
Ay, oo, maano ka.
Orlando, Bicol, Province, Philippines.
Sana ka na lang tayo sa kata mo.
It's good. Thinking of you again. Thank you for 38 lives. Magaya na mag-awa akong parado. Kanina pangit yung dala.
Oo, kanina iba ka na. Sabi ako doon sa mga.
Ayaw na kay pangit na.
Mas!
Ayay.
Pero kanina talaga.
Nakalimutan ko ang ano. Parang ngayon.
Ako, ako.
Feeling is good when I'm lying. Ano ba raman ang sound sa mic? When I'm lying out like it, thinking nawara man ang mic.
Sa chef.
Nawara ang mic.
Ay, nawala. Wait lang.
It's moving on and on. Wala man. Camel Cabello. Yeah, ay Cabel Cabello. Wara. Ay.
Ay, lubat.
Ay, lubat. Oh my God. Ay, diri na. Hello. Diri na on.
Manan.
Purple Church. That is sometimes. Porque contigo es aquí. Your love is like a sun that lights up my whole world. After all or nothing. Kia Camel Cabello. Savannah. Hello? Ay, ano na? Lubat?
Kasi ano, lubat na?
Nagpapatay. Nagpapatay.
Hello.
Lubat.
Lubat talaga?
Nagre-red. Oh, nagre-red.
Ano? Battery mo?
Bakit red? It's not the way it choose to live something so good.
Ang battery ba na? Ang battery niyo rin sa do. Paano di-chargeable ito? Ah, di-chargeable. Battery yun. Pwede yung charge. Si battery. Pwede mo pag water.
Again sa man, Mike.
Battery ba?
So like, yeah, you might recognize your song Bad Things.
Pangit sa tukan talaga. Wagas. Oo. Ha? Hello. Wala po talaga. Hello. Nanahin niya kung makakapapakita.
Tagaan na lang yan to.
Sagaan ka na lang.
Oh. You might, yeah. Okay, I might recognize her song Bad Things. The Bad Things. Sorry.
Ready yun?
Until it seems to me I carry the memories. I felt it in my heart that I don't know. And never stops you look at me as though I'm all that you can see. There's times that I don't really try. I know.
Mahina talaga.
Sabi namin. Tony, thank you, Tony.
Oh,
Ano yan?
ay, oh my God, kagalit man. Saan na nagkakal? Nabinom niya. Kasi yun, kita ikaw, kasi yan. Hello. Ano talaga magalit ka? Ano ha? Si BFF. Hindi talaga ito mahal.
Yeah, ay maliwanag pala dito eh. Maliwanag na kami eh. Oh my
Wala ka doon
God.
siya. Hindi mo sa okay namin.
Oh.
Palitan. Naman ka lang. Taas, parang maliwanag.
Sige, tama na yan. Kahit may magbanyanin yan. So, man.
Nadulog talaga. Nadulog dito sa bahay namin.
Kaya mo na yan, ganun talaga. Oh my God, the chicken singing to you. The singing. The chicken do it.
Tinatagay, bukas, ano yun? Kaya. Uy, magmahal.
Balik mo yan sa mic. Hindi ang virgin soup sa
Sitirayan kita.
Hello.
Oh, yan na.
Nakakaloka. Tapos pala isa din.
Hello.
Naisip ko.
Ay, nako. Nakalimutan ako na lang.
People loving you kung sadyang
Okay. Breathless. Hindi na, breathless. Breathless. Go on. No, Benny.
Go on, go on. Come on, let me breathe this time. So, ask her friend if she can sing Endless Love. Endless Love.
daylight fading slowly. The time with you stand me still. I'm waiting for you only. Like this touch, I feel it. I cannot hide from you. I cannot hide. And then the thing we do to try.
Can't hide it, can't hide it.
So come on, come on, come on, leave me breathless, teach me, that I can't deny it. See over your kiss, go on, yeah, come on. Just to have you for all the love I need somehow. Like a dream, also another sea. I never learned to make up. Don't notice it, don't leave it. So go on, come on, leave the broadcast. Teach me, till I can't deny it. I feel it, and it's over your lips. Go on, yeah, come on. So go on, come on, leave me breathless. Teach me, I can't deny it. I can't feel it. Make me long for your touch.
Nakakatuka mo dito sa may tagigan.
Oo, di ba siya sa to, may picture na yun.
Dito sa may ano, sa may binis.
Nagkato kami siya, karga ng kanya ng krokon. Bakit na ba hindi ko itong magabi? Try ng tapa pa uli ni. Sabi nga ni Tamo, kita kita mamalilin na
Ganto lang.
kaya nagkataon na.
Remember the day when you're here with me. The stars and tears we shared for years. Memories that we had for so long. It's me and you. Now you're gone away. You left me all alone. What could you want? But please don't leave me to break my heart.
Hi, Cheryl, may I see your songs?
Me, what should I do? If I'm missing you, please don't disappear. These are the words that you should hear. Time and time again, I wish that you were here. I don't wanna lose you, girl. I need you back to me. I don't wanna lose you, baby. Can't you see? Oh, I need you, you be a part of me. I wish someday you'll be back home. Yes, I really miss you, darling. Please come home.
That's not my rules, but
Someday you'll be back home. So I really miss you, darling. Please come home.
Tapos ka pala yun. Tapos na. Yun na yun? Uy, kanta na! Wala na. Lalo na punta ako na rin ang mga kanta na. Nahugap na ako. Benetan!
ganito sa kawakan.
Si Ate, ano si Ate Gini? Si Ate Gini, ano? Kulay green ko na sa akin. Rain or shine na. Rain or shine. Bahala na.
I know someday you need to find something that you leave behind, something I can give you. Oh, dear, and I can light up in the beat. But words are good not to be and memories are forever. All these times, all in all, but no regret. The sun will shine, the sun will set, and the heart forget. But what will I do? All is done. Oh, dear, even though it's done today, I close my eyes and make a wish, hoping you remember all these times. All in all, with no regret. The sun will shine, the sun will set, and the heart forgets, the heart forgets. But what will I do with all this love? Say goodnight, our heart will be another drive. Sorry if you cry, I'll be crying. Oh, But what will I do now when it all looks down?
Thank you so much. Oh my god, 23 people, 39 likes. Thanks a lot. All this time. Ay, tapos na. Tama ka na. Tumigil ka na. Tumigil ka na.
Grabe, na ito. Ikaw na siya.
Na pa ako nagugustuhan.
Tatanda.
Mamaya na. Sising.
Pag nag-sanay ka na, sige na, practice na ano mong music. Kaya dati di mahilig. Ako talaga ni Mara.
Ako talaga di ano. Mahilig ako sa kanta pero ang kanta di man. Never. When part people, thanks so much.
I believe you can breathe the I don't know what they are.
What about the Backstreet Boys or NSYNC? The NSYNC is This I Promise You. The Backstreet Boys and Drowning. Shape of My Heart. Only the Thank you so much. 24 people in the house. Eighteen people in the house. Thank you so much.
The way it's done, love
Pa-distant ko pala. Wow, sungodon man, ha? Wow, sana angodon siya. Ha, daragahan. Angodon ang daraga. Oh my God. Daraga ng magayon. Ibang Daraga! Daraga! Daraga!
Hindi yung halik kita mo. Ay, yung halik.
Karen.
Anong kayo sa'yo?
Ay, dara ni mother. Running away from the car. Okay, yes.
Nag-report.
Dead.
Pa sa iyo. Adi nga.
Dead. Pabulan.
Oo.
Sabi ko, kuno magtigar. Run. Kuno ka daw.
Nakaupo niya. Kanina.
Ay ko nga, di rin magkukugibaw run.
Nakamotor man liwat yan to.
Kaya ang morano, ang ranan nga ni kami. Hindi room. Hi, Dada. Kape, da. You want coffee, Dada? You want coffee? Running away, yes. Running away. Sorry, Cheryl. You have a beautiful singing voice. Mabuhay! Mabuhay tayong lahat. Ang pag-ibig kong ikaw na nga. Wala na. Ay, wow! So beautiful, Dapang! What is this? You don't like na? You don't like anymore na? You don't like? Commercial na. Di ba na-skip ito daw? Ay, ano siya pag ano? Tagal naman i-skip yan ba? Ah? Yan na, skip yan. Oh my God. Ah, bakit ang daming commercial? No. Ini-stall niya. Don't stall. Credit card liwat siya. Mabuhay. Home credit. Halata. Wala na. Ready na. T-Rex song. So beautiful. What is... Where are you from, John? Where are you from, Sir John? Kumusta da? Nalagda na? Nalagda na? Minchana, Texas, USA. Nice to meet you, John. Minchana? Minchana. Texas. Nice to meet you, pa. Which part of from Bicol Province, Philippines. I'm from Bicol Province, Philippines. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Thanks for joining here. Talk you about you know, arms are important in electricity, yeah. Abot ka na eh. Ngayon doon, sa road. Oh. Papay?
Nag-gather pa ba? Nag-gather pa.
Din.
Nakaligid.
I figure you already.
Nag-gather pa.
Ah,
Oh, gusto mo ka ay suda mo nga. Toyo ng gano'n.
mura sinuso. Mura suruda. Mura sura.
Diyan ko ito na benda na dito na ay. Suwa na ay toyo ng suwa.
Ang grabe na gutom ha.
Sabi na dito na ay. Kaya balon ako na sabi na.
Abra bugas? Ay, wala na. I don't know. Kaskadon? Binutang panada yung magic sarap. Pag may magic sarap, naka-askad. Pag mapinit na, maskad na yun.
Hello, yung papa. Ayaw good papa. Ay, nagbulan. Dayla. Ayaw good.
Iniisip ko ang bill dito sa hospital.
Saan ka makulwas?
Kaya nga, dapat mga luwas na siya. Para diyo pa lang. Enjoy ayaw, pagsabi tiyos.
Diyan, masagana ka. Mura.
Entero kita ada puruan. Uday, Diyos ko kalain sa pamate.
Pero to. Utang, luwas.
Sigurado. Unang utang. You are not speaking Tagalog. I speak Tagalog.
Anong binili mo? Okay?
Oo. Ano? Hindi ko alam kay Papa yan.
Sabado. Isa na parang ano ko? Gusto. Kasi nga gusto.
Ay, thank you, ate.
Ay, ano?
I know that you want for me. Never know.
Pizza yun sa Saudi.
Ikaram. Ikaram.
Pinigulo na to.
Ang papay. Aram niya yan. Kasi siya nag-ano kang papay.
May sabong kayo dito. Luto ko, malo.
Okay, maalat.
Hindi naman.
Maalat.
Halat ba?
Hindi ka nakalikos.
Bakit ang manok kay Glinda?
Hindi ko na sabot.
May amoy. Kati Glinda.
Maano naman ka, ano na, naka...
Frozen.
Frozen.
Nangitim. Parang nangitim na luto.
Ay,
Para maitim sa kanya.
Grabe man yun. Bunga man yun.
No, lamin namin.
May ulam doon. Walang problema ka pa.
Bibili na ako. Bibili ako.
Oh,
Sabaw.
may ulam na dyan.
Di lang.
Hindi pa nga naubos kanina.
Tuyo. Masarap pa tuyo eh. Tanong yung boss ko. Lord! Lord!
May ham dyan, may ham.
itong takot.
Lutuin nyo na lang yung ham.
Tara, dito kita ho. Dito kita ho. Dito kita. Bibe, bibe. Dito kita dali. Kontak ka.
Pwede makahiga? Ha? Can I?
Pwede. Pwede makitambay. Bakit na naman sa diyan?
Ha?
Ano naman daw ini?
Sipon.
Napupuot siya.
Kay malayason, mas kumauran niya sa lakawan.
Hindi ka maghibi kay mapupuot ka so lalo. Calm lang.
Logan
Oh,
edit
is a
dito
Buzzy. Pinit na eh. Meeting people in the house. Hero has a cold. Here's her band. No hair band.
Mabatot naman. Kaya na din ang hangin. Ba ulang.
Support me by sending a super chat in the gals. The dim bricks are nice. Thanks. Send the gifts, guys, for supporting me. The $sign. Can you, the $sign? Send the gift. Oh my God.
Nagla-live si tita mo, mami, kurarate. Ikaw naman ang Are ng panitan.
Piras.
Are?
Piras.
Puro na lang panit. Ang apple, di mo man iniing kahon. May orange pa dide. Orange?
Orange tapos piras.
Ang orange naman May haralo na yun at yan mo.
Piras.
Guys. Sabi ate. Ay, ito may si tita mo. Tulong. Ay, ito paglalakot.
Naka-live? Utay lang yun. Naka-live pa ho. Oh,
Tarog yun.
oh, utay pa lang.
Mali kayo.
Oh,
Ano dahil ba?
naka-live mo. Ha? Ano ba? Ha? Tita, gising naka-live ka.
Gali man. Ay. Ako lang pa ikaw.
Naka-live!
Bayan mo lang.
Tita, wala ka na sumpira ka. Ano ka lang. Nakatulog ka na. Wala ka na sumpira.
Akong panis mo. Bigas, charge mo naman doon na cellphone.
Ate ko.
Kape, kape. sa doon. Makuyo.
Kakalain ka pa.
Uy! Ini good siya sleep. Wala ni ugali. Ito stock yun si Dit. Ako good ka na pagdating sa ako. Ha? Ikaw ito maiswag na may wagong ka doon. Paparasipak mo na si Dit. Gali mo nga. Isasabihan ko sa... Ano ha? Nakaugali ha? Umudot ang paparasipa sa disiplita niya. Wala yung good ugali na dito. Ako na lang cellphone pa rin ako.
No!